Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, everyone, wherever you are watching us from. Welcome to our channel once again. Today we are looking at how we make bacon, as making it ready for breakfast. And as you can see, what we are looking at right now is bacon that I put here on this pan about 4 or 5 minutes ago, and that's what's cooking. Literally, that is what is cooking. Today we are looking at how best to make bacon so that it does not have a lot of fat. So that's what we are doing right here. You can see great bacon. You know, bacon, of course, is made of pork. Our bacon today is made of pork. I know there are other people that call something that looks like the bacon that we traditionally know as bacon, which is from pork. Some people do talk about bacon made of beef and even sometimes chicken. But this is real bacon as we know it. See? So this is this has been cooking now for about 5.5 minutes, and I'm telling you, it's looking good. You can confirm it is looking good, looking very, very good, very good. Okay, so those who might be wondering what type of bacon this is, or rather what is the brand of this bacon, there you go. Okay, if you can read, it says essential everyday kind of bacon, and it is hardwood smoked bacon, and more importantly, it is thick sliced, meaning it's not just like paper thin, and thick slice also gives you, you know, a lot of substance when you're eating it. So guys, that's what's going on here. You have to make sure that the heat is not too much, but again not too low, so that the bacon cooks well. If you put the heat too high, what is likely to happen is that it's gonna burn before it cooks. So you have to be very careful about that. So here it gives you all the nutritional facts. The calories, as you can see there, are 60. Not too good, but not too bad for the body. And it's 100% quality guaranteed. And all the instructions about cooking are there. I'm sure you can do it in different ways, as they have put the instructions there. There are different ways of making your bacon, but I'm not following that. I'm doing it my own way, and that's what we are sharing right here. So we are now turning. Some of this these bits are already ready for eating. Telling you, looking very good. So if you are a fan of bacon, this is what is happening. Later on, we might be able to sample this with you. We have to find a way of sending it to you, viewers, so that you can also taste the bacon. Okay. So that's what is happening right here. Bacon for you. This is bacon for you. All right. So when we are done with the bacon, we're gonna make just one egg, and we'll make, after that we are gonna make a sandwich. I don't have a camera stand. I probably should have put it on a stand so that I can show you what exactly is going on in this kitchen today. So yeah. Anyway, let's prepare for the egg also. This to make this egg so that we can make a sandwich. Okay, the fire is up. We're gonna put a little oil on our pan, just a little oil, okay, and then we're gonna get our egg. Where's the egg? Right there, see, right there. Our egg ready to go. And remember, the bacon is still cooking right there, and now we are making an egg or two to go with the bacon as we make that famous sandwich. And as I promised, if you can tell me a way that I can send a sample of the bacon and egg and the sandwich to you, please let me know so that I'm not gonna be eating alone. Okay, so a little salt there. This is just a regular egg. It's not an omelette or anything like that, but an egg the traditional way. See, that's how we do it. There you go. Okay, that's not the right way of doing it. The shell should not fall into the pan, but you know, accidents do happen. And this is really happening because I'm the one who is holding the camera at the same time. So that's what's cooking, guys. All right, you see, this is happening now, guys. And these are very nice eggs, very nutritious. They are supposed to be organic the last time I checked, and true as I have said, at least according to the label. See, those are eggs from egglands, and they are organic, and they are calling them grade A, large brown eggs. Okay, as we wait for that to do its thing, we are also keeping an eye on our bacon right here. Yeah, honestly, I cannot eat all this alone. So wherever you are, let me know in the comment section how I can share this with you, okay? Let me know in the comment section how we can share that with you. All right. And now the egg right here looks ready to turn. That fire is a bit too much. And now it's ready to turn. It's almost burning, I'm telling you. The hassle is real. Okay. Gonna turn it like that. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. It's almost ready. Almost ready. Almost ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the egg is almost ready. The bacon, some of it is ready already. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the kind of bread that we are going to use for our sandwich. Is that bread, okay? And then we're gonna make a little tea. I think you'll watch this in our next video. For now, just give it a comment, give this video a comment, and tell us. We are trying to figure out how we can share this with you wherever you are. give us a comment there. The egg is ready. We're very soon gonna be having a sandwich. An egg and bacon sandwich is gonna be something out of this world, I'm telling you guys. So stay tuned. You're gonna see the end product on our next video, and then I'll be reading your comment so as to figure out how I can get this sandwich and the ingredients to you. Okay, as usual, if you are new here, please comment, please subscribe, hit the notification button or bell so that you know whenever we drop a video in our channel. Hello, and now, ladies and gentlemen, everything is all set. We have our tea, we have our bacon and egg sandwich. Look at that. Look at that. Our bacon and egg sandwich. Look at that. Look at that. So that's the end product, and thank you very much for watching our video. I haven't figured out how to send this to you, but if I do, I'm gonna sure take the steps of making sure that you get a piece of this, because I still have some of the leftover bacon and some of the leftover egg, and I still have some of the leftover buns for making the sandwich. So you cannot go hungry. It's only that I don't know how to get this to you, but we will try and figure out. Kindly comment, share, subscribe, like, all those good things so that you get a lot from our channel here. For now, we say bye-bye and God bless. See you in the next one.